Everyone, and welcome back to this channel, and today we are doing a quick review on Quicken. That's right, Quicken. Now here you get smarter financial decisions. You can start it here. You get data, insights and features to help you move forward, because with the right tools you can unlock your full financial potential. You can start with Simplify. You want to see all the plans, you can click here. Simplify is $3.99 per month. You get a 3% off. Now, customers have used for over 40 years. They have the best mint alternative. They are the best budgeting app and the best personal finance app. So if it's about finances, handle it with Quicken. You can understand spending habits, manage subscription, save more, pay down debt faster, grow investments, improve net worth, manage cash flow and get paid faster using Quicken. Get greater insight, understanding and possibilities. You can dive deeper into your finances and define what is within your grasp. So you can connect and track all your accounts, spend and save with confidence, tap into insights you can act on, and build the future you want using Quicken. You can find the right plan for your financial goals. Like we said, we have the personal and the business plan. So we have the Quicken Simplify for mobile and web app 2 that we mentioned earlier, Quicken Business and Personal for mobile and web app, and Classic Premier, Classic Business and Personal. These are all under personal. So you also have the business plans. These are the business plans also. So with Quicken Life Hub, you can protect the information your family counts on. Always be ready for life, big events, emergencies, and everyday moments. Keep vital info safe, secure, and shareable. Want to know more? Click here. So you have about 20 million better financial lives built and counting using Quicken. So just take their word for it. You can listen. You can also read the comments from others. You can see CNN_, Yahoo Finance, and CNBC. So Quicken is really great. It has lots of products and stuff you can use under Quicken. So what are you waiting for? Give it a try today.